Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today we start 2024 May Chemistry HL paper 2 for full solution. Okay, for question number 1, okay, look at the question first. Always look at the question. Outline why this compound is not a hydrocarbon. It has the content of carbon and content of hydrogen, but it's not hydrocarbon because it has other component other than carbon and hydrogen. So and then you add this together. How many percentage? You have to calculate, okay? Yes, just about 84.03%. Okay, so not 100%. Okay, so you must have some other elements there. Okay, B. Okay, determine the empirical formula of A. So I think you have to guess what is the other element. So as a blind guess, I think this has oxygen. Right? So you can calculate the mass content of oxygen to get 100 and then minus the two thing minus 84.03. Calculate that out. Okay. Yes, it's 15.97. Okay, so you got the mass content, but you need to find out the number content, right? So you need to divide all the mass by its molecular mass. So you find out the ratio of H, C, and O. Okay, remember it's the percentage over the molecular mass. For the first one, just over 1, easy. For the carbon, it's to be over 12. For oxygen, it's to be over 16. And you will find it out the ratio is really light, okay? Very light ratio. So calculate it, what's the ratio? Yes, approximately, okay, nearly 12 to 6 to 1. Okay. Oh, excellent. So you got that. So the hydrogen carbon should be, the organic compound should be H12. Maybe we write the C first. Before C6, H12, and O. Got it? Okay, part C, okay. A sample of the vapor of air is in this temperature. Remember the track, right? Part 273, okay? Always this track, okay? And have a pressure and has a density. Okay. Then what do you want? Okay, I want to find out the molar mass. How to find molar mass? First, it is really have no idea, right? It's just start with the equation, right? PV equals nRT, okay? And see what you have. Okay, I have pressure and I have a temperature. Okay, so I can find out N over V, right? Number of mole per one. Although I don't know what can I find from this thing. Okay, but just try to work out something first. Okay, in exam I don't have enough time, right? Just try to work on it. Okay, calculate the time. Okay, use Kelvin scale plus 273. Okay, what do you get by this ratio? Pause and do it. Okay, you can. Welcome back. Okay, 25.44. But the question is, how do you use this to find out the molar mass? It is another problem, right? So it's really hard. Okay, so maybe think about what is density first. What is density? Density is mass over volume, right? And then think about how to relate mass with molar mass. Number of mole times molar mass. Yeah. So I remember. And I found out N over V. Oh, I got N over V, 25.44. So molar mass will be density over N over V. Although this equation you never heard of it, okay, you never done it, but it happens now, and you got it. Now it's calculation time. Plug in all the data to find out the result. Okay, after pausing, I think you got it, right? 100. Oh, very good. The molecular mass is 100. And then how to find the molecular formula of A? Look at here. A is this. Find the empirical mass, okay? 12 times 6 plus 12 plus 16, what is that? 100. Oh, exactly 1 to 1. So this is the empirical formula. It's also the molecular formula. You got it? Okay, well done. Okay, and next come back for other section. Okay, see you.